Riboti ino erekereirio ni munini wa County Commissioner mwena wa Kikuyu Charles Laboso uria gikira ndetwe na mukonde augite maabitha a borithi ni mambikite mihango ya gwethana na mwene nyumba iyo.
Asking our experts to come and do an evaluation of this building to see why the building is collapsing. But we suspect, from our initial investigation, we suspect that the developer has exceeded what is allowed, what was actually approved. Now our investigation team is looking for the owner, the person who is developing it, and we think we'll hold them responsible for flouting the regulations and for not adhering to the stipulated requirements.
Laboso ni orite aria mari na itanya ria gwaka nyumba cia guikarwo guthigatithia mitaratara yothe ya waki wa nyumba nginyaniru niguo gwithemana na umomoki wa nyumba.
We appreciate the residents of this building because they are the first people to let us know that there is a danger in this building, and we would like to encourage anybody else living around here who by any chance who may notice some structural challenges in our buildings to let us know.
Undu mwe ngwenda kwira andu aria othe maraka nyumba ni wega kurora life ya andu aria turenda kuingiria nyumba-ini ciao, tondu ni wega uthie through the county government kana physical planning department na nigetha uheo structure na ukorwo na engineer on site nigetha nyumba iria gwaka ndigakorwo ikirehe hathara.
Ihinda-ini riu maabitha a thirikari ya Kiambu hamwe na munene wa muthubari wa Kikuyu Elijah Ndung'u ni maugite ni mararumirira miako iria irakona iria irikirire niguo gutigirira ni yakitwo kuringana na mutaratara wa waki wa manyumba bururi-ini.
Hari department tukoragwo twinayo ithiaga loud handu hothe hena nyumba irakwo itari na any structure kana itari na marua tukamba kumirugamia na iria ciothe cirathie na mbere iria ciagiriirwo ni gukorwo igiakwo ni iria ciina marua, na hau tukirora marua ni turoraga nginya expert nginya engineer no nginya gakorwo ari involved nigetha kindu kiria gigwakwo gigukorwo gigi save life ya andu aria othe maraikara uguo. Twathiaga na mbere na gwika uguo na to ino ni turugamitie nginya nyingi na tukagia na evacuation orders iria ikoragwo iheanitwo na ni njui no kurathie na mbere na no tuguthie na mbere na to haha ni kandu wothe ha Kiambu.
Ona kuhana oro uguo ni marutite mukana kuri aria othe maraka nyumba itakinyaniire ikiro makiuga ni mekwerwo makinya maruru ma kiwatho icigo-ini ciothe kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Nduta wa Buthia.